Hi scholars, so today we're completing Module 2, Addition Practice. So we did the problem-based learning project, and that involved adding and subtracting. So we're just going to practice a little more, specifically focusing on addition today. Thoughtful mathematicians add measurements to compose larger units. So let's look at our vocabulary. When we're adding, we're combining or putting together two or more quantities. The numbers we add are called the addend, and once we have an answer in addition, that is called the sum. So I'm going to review how to add. So I want to find the sum using standard algorithm, and I want to regroup when necessary. And I'm going to show you how to regroup. So I have 463 milliliters plus 79 milliliters. My first step is to rewrite this so I can have both numbers above each other organized by place value. So I have 463 milliliters. I want to write 79 under this, and I want to write each digit in the correct place value. So the 9 is in the ones place, so I'm going to put it under the 3 so that they're both lined up in the ones place. The 7 will go in the tens place, and there's no 100 in this number, so I don't have anything in the hundreds place. So 463 milliliters and 79 milliliters. So I rewrote them so I can add them using standard algorithm, one above the other. I generally like to have the larger number on top. For addition, it doesn't matter, but since for subtraction it matters, I like to get in the habit of always writing the greater number on top. So now I'm going to add 9 plus 3 is 12. Now I'm going to write the 2 here because in 12, the 2 is in the ones place, and the 1 is in the tens place. So I don't want to write it down here. I actually want to regroup up here because I can't fit two digits in one place value. So I'm regrouping the 1 on top into the tens place so that I can add it to the other tens in this number. So now I have 1 plus 6 plus 7. Well, 1 plus 6 is 7. And 7 plus 7 is 14. So I'm going to write again the 4 in the tens place. And I'm going to regroup the 1 to the hundreds place. Because when I added all these tens, I got 14 tens, or 140. So I regroup the 1 to the hundreds place. So now I have 1 plus 4 for the hundreds place, and that is 5. So 542 milliliters. So remember, when you have a number that is greater than 9, you need to regroup the digit to the next place value. So let's look at another one together. So let's go ahead and rewrite this in standard algorithm. The greater number on top. Again, the order for addition does not matter, but I like to always write the greater number on top because for subtraction it does matter. So go ahead and copy this. We want to add this together. All right, let's start adding. We have 7 plus 3 is, that's 10, and I want to write the 0 here, and I'm regrouping the 1. So we have in the tens place, 1 plus 8 plus 4 is, that's 13, and how would I write that? So I have 3 in the tens place, regroup the 1 to the hundreds place, and in my hundreds place, how many hundreds do I have? 5. So altogether 530 meters. So try this last one. Go ahead and pause the video now. Press play when you're ready to check your work. Again, pause now. Press play when you're ready. So I write the greater digit on the greater number, on top, and then add them up. 8 plus 3 is 11. Regroup the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 6 is 13. Regroup the 1 again. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6, so 631 grams. All right, thank you so much for watching. As always, please reach out to me on Schoology or Hangouts if you have any questions, or feel free to ask me in one of our calls. Bye, everyone.